am Will with Lake Lifter, and this is how you lubricate a pump in a boat lift.
Before you start operating, make sure your box is turned off and unplugged. For this, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or drill, some WD-40, a socket wrench with an 8mm bit, and a 10mm wrench. To take out the motor, use your 10mm wrench to take out the bolt holding in the green wire at the top of your box. Keep track of the bolt and the washer. You'll need them back later. Unhook these white and black wires from the left side of your box and the top of your motor. The white and the black wires can be attached to either side of the motor, it does not matter. Use your socket wrench with an 8mm bit to loosen the hose clamps here. Finish taking them out with a screwdriver or your drill. Now you can pull the motor out. It is put on very tightly, so make sure it's not caught on anything when removing it, as you'll need a lot of force. Now would be a good time to lubricate the inside of your motor pump. To change out your motor, unscrew these two remaining screws here. Remove the motor and grab your new one, and screw it back in. Now the air tube here lines up with the Lake Lifter logo on this plastic piece here. The 3 prongs on the sides are not evenly spaced and it has to be lined up. Do not screw in the top left one just yet. Use your 2 screws to attach it to the top right hole and the bottom hole, but do not screw in the top left one yet. To put the motor back in, take the PVC pipe, which it can either be a white piece or a newer black piece, and push it straight down in. The white prong on the motor pump is very fragile, so try not to touch it. Push the motor in straight down. If it's not caught in anything, and you feel comfortable, hit it with a mallet a couple of times to make sure the box fully closes. Start to attach the bracket on the top of the box, but do not fully attach it just yet. Put the green wire, the washer, and the hex bolt back in the socket here. Now fully attach the bracket once you are sure that everything lines up. Check to make sure the box fully closes and latches. Reattach your white and black wires, plug the box back in, and you now have a new motor.
Hey, thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website, which is the top link in the description.